ye woni okomode no a so nyame afre no ene woni ho ode no dada a dom na beto no kwam wuti ode no ho ye ka sika o sika
okay
what I say ye ka adom so a o wadom eti wuti ni obi a ye be ka say o ye bega wuti ni obi o ka say bi a okomode no ba prophet wuti wa kai sem several times abem enu de Ghana for anhwe no say you come say bi o share na abem ni de ya anhwe no anka wasem o but ebe ye come say bi a o share for blaster eni say bi ho a enu aye den aye say aye on off the crib no na Ghana for everybody di boni say wonye genuine prophet man no a very gentleman and a genuine prophet uchi me who say GFA boss Kofi Adams minister eko ye adum che do e no osuma perform am ko prophet uche chen it's Kofi Adams when the to na ko prophet uche ni chen a osuma am ko
okay
o neutral me pen fo na na say so for me share ko football ho no ebi baby a omunya bote kakra baby me be share football ho kom ko me no say football ye great ma ye tell be a football PFF for football PFF buyer ka we Kristo ni aka me football
I will say I'm more cover. I did like so much GH. So let's say so first time here. When you subscribe to me so that you may know what I say. What the girl never count. Send a then upload it to for the first person. We are also a really kind. And I will say Emra and our mind Ghana any England any CNA. Master a you know. Now woman now upload to them. Come about draw yeah. England enti me answer Ghana so enti me answer na so the person say we no na Ghana for the ye go say ye pete na ye hwehwe no e na yensa enti ko kan before no ne Panama e de kan abo ama Ghana enti me ahye Panama ba ko na eno na prophecies bebre e ba ye ne nsam de ebusua e bi twegu ye e wo sa abo no wadifo a e ba boten e be hye nkom wi achi na se nkomhye no se no mo kan enye sa e na ko e bi ba boten e de chimu e ba ye ti a o mo nkomhye no mo be hye na wi achi no a course and a corner, and not Ghana for the HS said if what's me who go with her cabo a predicted scores and as almost scores no and come na it's neither norms to Sunday Mama here and the ultimate price no a cup it's any woman yet nanka free cup in the Magana and give us ampa a D for a woman and no and then Mesaka or D for 99 or Mincho I will say about the community a day for you man a rough football when you actually send it and some of the say I could come home you would differ Pabana for income. Odi 499.
Ohima.
Papa me wa kwaba.
Me do so papa.
Bibi aboko.
Mr. Daroma.
E be nyamia. So nyamia do ye hu na che.
Na so na me ko Dubai kakra.
Oh wow.
E ko Dubai o tu fo Daroma. Me ko Dubai kakra.
Okay.
Iti ma ba oni ko fi buachi.
Okay.
So mo na mo to ka ne ma me.
Oh okay.
So na ya be bom din tu no. Me so ma e ka ne sen twika se ka ne sen ya bo abaso e fa ne sen. E ka ne sen.
Wo e ma no. Wo bo ma baso.
There be omo na wo ma baso.
Wo baso. So show when you nyama na.
Sanity.
Okay.
Iti omo nipa ye. Omo ye be ma me.
Okay.
Iti say me ko try you tell ka wo Dubai ba.
Matsene de nyamia sese wa.
Asa wo ye de.
Nyamia do.
Beautiful. Ma me je konya wo so na me chia yewu asante mawra otufo.
Okay.
Na me chia makoma mu. The retired COP Kofi Boachi. The great policeman. How ko retire. Akole bia person ko police mu a. Onka se person nyeti se Kofi Boachi. Na be ma obanya sa akukutro tumi na nyame de ma no. Nyame de drum no. Se no de do bi dum Lawrence no. Sa mo so kita tumi bi. Ya akukutro tumi.
Okay.
Mo se woni bi. Thank you. Yakopo shira. Okay. For nyame so bibia.
Odifo, only prophet Uchi.
But me hono, but me name no. Me share physical kwada.
Okay.
Apart from that TV so
okay.
Ana me hono.
Okay.
One on one. Me share da.
Okay.
Me share da. Me kwape. Ana Felice beti ba ko chia ni sem but na me hu ko me fa so a beti na ben no. Aha.
Okay. And wo hu no screens so ni ade ade. Bi de se ne nkomhia wa hwehwe no so what be now do we need echi.
Oh wow, my tie ni komhia degree.
Okay.
But no just say o shem kom na nya na ka se eye.
Okay.
Me you D4. Me the prophet 99 no. Omo nyina me na me ka echi.
Okay.
99. 100 Yakupon. It's in 99. Now, Ohima, my prophet Uchi. e wo commission bebre mu na ma no eya na eye media for ni bi eni Ghana for ni bi say bi a onye genuine what must say
okay
ma me ka say bi kire ha ye woni okomde no a o se nyame afre no ene woni ho ode no dada a dom na beto no kwan mu
okay
what I say ni okomde no se nyame afre no ni lifestyle different da obi a ode no ho wuti ode no ho ye ka sika o sika
okay
what I say ye ka adom so a o wadom eti wuti ni obi a ye be ka say o ye bega wuti ni obi a ka say bi a okomde no ba prophet wuti wa kai several times abem eno de Ghana for anhwe no say you come say bi o share na abem ni de ya anhwe no anka ho asemu but ebe ye come say bi a o share for blaster eni say bi ho a eno aye den aye say aye on off kakre bi no na Ghana for eboni di boni say onye cheni prophet ba me prophet 99 me yesu sum adwuma me ka sum asitasem
okay
man no a very gentleman and a genuine let's say be a me kabia man no
okay
and I say yes be person me chia ne semti a genuine but follow several times and also wa brasie so
okay
hwe de wi a ope asofo panyifo bi abeto omo and na ho brasie a odi chia omo odi ko mu chen no adwuma no obeya ache
yo odifo ene yenhwe wo se ne nkomhwe obehye fa Black Stars ho ena asa maga na fo akonya ne tirim ka se wo mu hu ne se wo mfiri nyame na nimbi sa se ho se difo bi ehye nkom na nkomhwe ne kane ade a eya na boss nyame oyi hu se de kire difo ye odi yi de chemo ana
also football politics obi a won personal baby a won
okay
football obi a won personal team a support
okay
na ka amanyesem so a so for bia so won personal party a o da kuma yeden edi akiri
okay
thank you na prophet uchi me hu no say o neutral
okay
football come say it is say oba wale mi o di for 99 who your oba no pa wale a na de ba manim say me mo na rade mo na nyekunu a e ba na jo 11 adabi anajo 1 se me be ye papa anajo 1 o'clock na say ye wo pa ba be ya anajo me fro so na bompai
okay
so na be ya nyame mi bota wachi no e be ye adwuma
okay
anajo 1 o'clock na me mi bompai mo wo no na se ma fra wa wo da wo pranchi wo bo fra chi no hala mo ma fifrito obi o super kunu ya hala mo na be na mi pa me bo se ba de mo na nyekunu o be nyekunu papa wale
okay
so wo kuna da enye dwuma me ka besi football no so
okay
me panyifo na anasa asofo mo share ko fa football ho no ebi baby a omunya botega ka baby e kire se born na ye born no oh prophet osu bempa me na gira pass the year 2000 da so masahara ma pa ku training ground Dr. Akosi Bonsu what I say on training me
okay
what I say you na pa osu bempa there you na osu bempa me na gira pass the year 2000 up to SCC that was Sakama eti minimum record minimum ya osu bempa ye adete ya osu bempa eti be chef football ko onim ne wo
okay
tie blaster we ya football me de bama me senior prophet uche we de mano so obekasa for blaster and as a football one onye ipabo right sa push we ene be mo behu ni tirabia ene ni commission
okay
ti haye blaster ko tournament a se na ko work up see ya o bompa say team no e ko di cap mra o bompa say team no e ko ni boys na after match and after training coach na da no omo na disco club na mabobol bi pe omo na club disco omo ko jo mani ko pe ni fona da no ono oko disco okofa asa wori ba ka ko won ma no omo bo chacha gambri chacha po eti ebe na wo odifo no wo ye mpaye ma omo a ebetimi agani
okay
wo pa na wo ye nyina omo di pa lock except egesi pa ibo no
okay
eti enfa what I say but prophet uche ebe abonte no nyame yi chere say ohun say Panama me boa Panama right ana me humbo Panama ohun say Panama be she Ghana but it's true ohun ade complete
okay
ohun ade complete
okay
esi be o try drop tie odoni ma Ghana eti se nyame ya chere na e so say wa di pipe e mo my Ghana
okay
e so say we pipe ma atale na she Ghana yellow no green no was yena na mu na de mo de gugu fom ebe ji yen kwa
okay
is one say the papa na Ghana in the form of Ghana
okay
eti prophet uche in pay na boy na who say Panama be share Ghana no yeah and who from man boy shade bi first half Panama e bo Ghana totally omukipa no what na chi one ball when he get me empuru ball no e omukipa no anja man one strong shot be say we ball when they omukipa it's Panama keeper no first half in the sun ka one ball but here be say Ghana for say first half no Panama ni Ghana no atisigi how many service no here ma Ghana
okay
how many service no here ma Ghana oh yeah service ma ko 99 e mi amidi one bi one me dey huma atisigi but enam say e difo ni bi e pompa yie e mo nyakopo hohu e kwato machinti no e favor Ghana e ko ye no Ghana nya how many chance Jordan chance no na ne na me say polu anya no tinena no ba ko wache ba ko yes ka sa ball ka go after Jordan chance no uye no fi wonu ma ati say chance e nya ye ku no ene ko ye go ma Ghana you see eti prophet uche commission na buy no ene say be sabio obonitimu po e di ka asem no ba e yi che nyame yi chire no ena yi che nyame yi chire no so enam say GFA boss Kofi Adams minister e ko ye adum che do e che no osuma ko fo mo ko prophet uche chen because me prophet 99 make me tell say obi frame me say minister say ye mo pa e mo oman no ti ayi
niti
obi frame me say minister say ye mo pa e mo oman no including minister bi am ni ye free pa
okay
ba me money din
okay
oh it's a minister na ka chem say ko friend dem so asuma the commission be pay prophet uche ni mu kan no wasuma ko fo bi say o mo ko prophet uche chen
okay
no o mo kanta no nye pipe emma oman no
okay
what I see no nye say pipe emma oman no it's the freedoms when it me to na ko prophet uche ni chen a osuma mo ko
okay odifo ye hwe di ni abehye nkom obehye nkom no se Ghana match na ye kwa akobo no ye first 3 matches ni dina no ye nhye go ba akokra
eye wana
ye prophet uche ye nhye go ba akokra ye bebe fi na wokae no ka nokra wokasi so se empedifom beku no na wo munye ho niema se ne ebeye na ensem na wakanya sa de asem befa Ghana se empedifo no ko empedifo no anko no ya wa ma beka ho bibia enti wodi sanche mu ni bawie no e na obeka se 2 hours to Ghana match no obetro ye e woni Facebook account se Ghana nyame akasa meaning se bibia wo onaka e lose de ma Ghana nyame akasa enti enye lose de beka ko ye win se ne eku no but wo kasa no bo prophet e ko so be pedi a wo chere se wo ye di focus e wo Ghana hana so footballer wo share honkom adentia eno entre se football no e ya ade a enye edi fujuma se di focus e prophet e ko so be mpa en share football honkom a enka bibi entre se football de se wo ye di na ko ji wani wo wa anhwe ni ya na wani makugu ase
won say meba ye papa o so be mpa na asem so
okay
ba on say prophet uche kan say bi o say ipanyefo bi be hu no
okay
ba asem na wo kan no wo ji ni di
okay
ti aye asem prophet uche kan no wo ji ni di me be 49 So me ka say meaning the first prophet you see me more pay Emma NDC after Yola Mahama one ever untinti she data mini minister na chat here.
Okay.
Date be
April 29, 2025.
April day
29. 2025.
Thank you. She ministers are odo mudi ba ya. Me see offer mudi no pictures ma me more pay ma omo. Fa ba ni ni certificate ya.
Okay.
Mudi ni ye.
Sorry, Honorable Julius Deborah. Johnson Esedun Ketsia. Haruna Idrisu. Free Ankra. And Honorable Atoforsen. Emmanuel Amakofibua. Honorable Samuel Okujeto Ablakwa. Kwame Ewuada Akon. Sylvester Mensah. Yemami Zinato Rollins. Fifi Fiavekoti. Our great minister Eric Opoku. And our
Bawa, they didn't know I see it. And then
late Omanebua.
That's not Omanebua, but not quite create you. It will be one or Obani didn't want.
Okay, Joyce Bawa Muktari.
Thank you. And I will soon be saying,
Honorable Eric Opoku.
thank you. It's no what I see. Some guy say, Minister, and Mammy, a Jumasa Minga. With 1 week, any homework of man, who tinty. But I was a picture new dinner or Omanebua, my divu, and a choice say, I don't know, Omanebua, but not on quite create here. It's a prophet who check us say, if you be who now, everyone would see no. Because they be an Okani draw.
Okay.
Every the commissioner are found to know, or the baby a kata. There be
okay.
Now, me not the man po Yehume. Now, prophet Uchi.
Okay.
Prophet are not pay, give up a Wusubepa. Or pay a power pump, or pay a some pay for or the Hambasi and Behomo, or a Chiamina, or no po. Yeah, na minute na be to home money. You got me? I don't know okay.
Odi for Matuasi. But odi for Yemshe. Oh, so what Casano?
Maybe you know.
Okay.
If I was bepa. Since if I was bepa, Kotoko has be shakwana or my boy team make say Kotoko Beshi has and has bishop to call. The way Papa was bepa or a full fabros.
Okay.
But do yeah, Papa, but do to be also a full phobia.
Okay.
Not a me a full phobia.
Okay.
Uchi me moja house of folk.
Okay.
Uchi me tea house of folk.
Okay.
Uchi me do so house of folk. Maybe be a phobia.
Okay.
Well, say but football. Yeah, I park so play about play no. Maybe make share football who come. Come in say football you great man. You try be a football PFP for football PFP buyer. Ka we Christian na ka me football.
Okay.
It the ball na here my ball be play. But go retire. As my yellow mine. Fan boy yellow mine. But yeah abobon be play no. You know say you great man.
Okay.
Football e be football e be anywhere. Obaka say bia o set say obobon and opedi wa come malanchen say ye kuma akoko fu wa one so we. Mo be play.
Okay.
Akoko fu one.
Okay.
Akoko be ma o. Fu one. You ben we o kwa you ben we any motor. Esi woni na hawe.
Okay.
O ti wi do pe. Because na me si we no o ti na wi na ko wi do pe. Na that na me nya so for ye. Me nya me dwuma na betu mo kwa mo.
Okay.
You papa was be pa oni mi se de me odifo.
Okay.
Ko ta mo ni me no me se de footballer.
Okay.
You see? It is football e ye dura dwuma.
Okay.
It is all about my footballer say. O ko ni mu abrabo mu a. Make sure say on fa baby e ko ye ni me bi entia e Bible na o ye no. But o ye Bible no, no so okom edro so a e be ma o Bible be ka chiri.
Okay. Intend you did for near who came there. Says will be dinner baby nas will say a different babonti but just a woman near ma Edema Timuno and I ma Black Star for the Becca say Timuno. Edema woman or mutimi a dim could name when no mutimi draw and as a walker say a yellow cry. Say a number because we'll say says so for our vampire movements in the panels war yet be contrary to Paya now bona and yet there won't pay any year juma. And Omo Quincy and Diochi, Ebia will be our be an education.
Sanity,
yes, will be our never be our bay or camp.
Sanity,
any idea. It's walls of one who they now way and Ebia play and also near maybe a way and a bra. And then I just won't pay the age man.
My makers a bit of a different seminal. And me, I was some different woman, Kakibi pet.
Okay.
The hey, a diffosem, any abososem, diffosem, a crepe.
Okay.
O diffu what I say at a shall we? The mate was faculty will be a quambe biamo. Okay, yes, a quambe be. O diffu what I say be a coto a delay, dia or a 9. Koshebu, koto enchine, koese. Uya, a quambe biamo. Na ti haye.
Mixi.
Bebe ni abososem omo mo ti busman no no mo di fese mo tenani odifo enkunsa boy rough ora sumase a obekunsa tiawo isegu o bible mu e wo chosem no.
Okay.
Eti abososum no Old Testament no omo na mo kreti ana mo di nyeme bebre ewu ni pebe adwum se o ka to bi se for waka le koye adoye for tuma koye adoye a abososem Abraham omo di moa ene gbo for le mawade omo timi se ebo stone be miensa abonuma na etwa de ti de moja guso na e fe wade tie eti titi no efie bia buso eti yeni be yo kasi we so no obi afro ma ehye buso mase wade ti na buso no omo so buso no ene ko so tie omo paibo eti di fo se be mu no ene abuso sum no difference no mo so ba e kakiri pe na ewo mutem sena obi oti buso ma no e di mmoa e ya kwankyere no sa no di fo so di mmoa e ya kwankyere sena obi oti buso ma no e gunsa ti haye ogunsa odi fo gunsa odi fo isu oye oyisu for the water e ye duma ba se o ye na gade shino a obagba kokotu numi quotation no akotu is a book quotation bible mu obegu se wo suma se e ka se back door abra wo obe how odi fo ye odum fo mo obe how eti ye wo di e odi fo a o mo ka susu mi tasam e se na tena meti oyi ye wo di fo a onim fom e se na tena meti oyi ngome me mi hudi eti de be na timi ka se odo picture ba ne hito piano minute 9 ni bi so a kire wo wo se ma dum nyame di mam no because me adom no e beto mokwa mu me ni bansere eni ndi bi bi me ha kire me hwi ni ha hwi ni me ha hwi ni o me enyi na do ma ya ase asa hwi ni me ho ba nyame favor ne adom bi na nyame di do me eti prophet uche no so ka se e pelefo ni be hu na odika
se pelefo be hu so bonim ni o ye
debi omo ko hu se o dani.
Okay, so it's me dane.
What you say? Because Kamachi na yako gbe no. E total hands down say Panama bet me Ghana. Because they ko fun e boy no pressure with my no. Ka omo tibi share fe be say two aka. One more different day. But na ko fun so omo ko so ye thing.
Okay.
Etino me stress say. So before we be customer. E me fi na no e twi form.
Okay.
But me no example bi. Ye wo bifo a obehu ade no se na besi ba na onti ase ohu ase kire eno so wo.
Okay.
Bisi de
bifo bi behu but onti ase
ohu ase kire
onum ase odifo ye hwe aye Apia Stadium wa babonten abede Prophet Uche ne de ne nyina ne se Prophet Uche be ka ase penifo bi behu no e na Apia Stadium se se Prophet Uche abeka ne sa womra bonten bebo empenifo ko a omo free so mo free GFO so mo free sports ministry o so mo free presidency o baby empenifo ni free empenifo ko e baaye omo behu ne omo beye ye ene ne oyeye nti Ghana timi nya sa wi no na se wa ma bonten ambeka de a wono so ni secret bi a e wo no Apia Stadium bo ye Prophet Uche ni secret bi wo Apia Stadium bo no wo de ni nyina beba bonten aba beka Apia Stadium beka ne say no yentin mo ye bia free Prophet Uche no na Ghana for say aba wo hye nkoma Prophet Kofi Odu ebe preach on asori dem on okwa asori qualify Prophet Kofi Odu then yes Apia Stadium obeka we dia Apia Stadium kwa de onya sofo ade ne wonti me kan tene won beka ye ne kire say wo hye da beka asa de bram so say ne be Ghana for so
ni aba ma me kan se bi cho edu ba bia me am bra no offer Apia Stadium ofi break kakra.
Okay.
Break reach say me free Apia Stadium.
Okay.
99. Me free Apia Stadium. No, on the soft way in your counter. Fire Uja.
Okay.
Now I'm talking about a buy. I'm a president. A journey feared in the camera. Say, come on, of such a chain. Fire Uja. Me free Apia Stadium. I can say, Chama, Mr. Baby, I will to know. Make sure Sandy whistle. Tihaye. Asema me can yes me try to appear Jamaica say yes nothing now kind because here asante konwa na wa konwa no ti haye otufo konwa no so no asante fo konwa no asante konwa no awo appear stadium wo wa konwa no otu bo ne ke di konwa no ni o se o praise konwa no sa konwa no sunsun ene asante man sunsun ka wachi ene ma pejao edu baby a otu yi no. And you say, what I get in my solid, may you couldn't John Mahama, may you couldn't despite, may you couldn't get Japan, about me, and down, the stain on, almost had there, and in the back, there be. Nipa or yas was so being a comecitano, and a pen hygiene, or one more, or can ask some radio TV so. No one can hear Quana, you be fool. Put me a many view. It's him appear, say, Brappany, appear still to say. Eye de no utimi kasa ablasti sape mi fori bi but still no omo kwa na omo say apia de eye nua because of say asantimai franga asantimai ekonyano asantimai sunsun de yo wa asantimai wo tunfu ekonyano enne ma sa sunsun no edi apia se do chi eti mi kacha ni say oni fa ya oja tokwa no onta so Emmanuel Kokobio. I think the next day, Oko, Rare TV. Obomidi, or see, if you be free, and the Kasai, before 99 down. You see, it may say, or Apia Stadium. The thing you go the way to know. I'm out for any better. The thing you go the way to know. Obey as a chance now. Obey D or Ghana. What I say? It is a sort of bassam as a sort of some banners of Mokan. Mimi Apia Stadium. Me bra panyi wo fa no mesrew me atake wo mo o futu a fa ma wo mo we go say no be o ma panyi John Mahama o be Ibrahim Mahama ye papa ana say ye bra panyi ye wo fa Ibrahim Mahama o be ye papa despite ye wo fa no o be ye papa ona bo kra Japan just only panyi fo bebri just o ka say o di wuti bo fo wuti the secret be about pontia Ebema, they say, pay for the papa of Belcana, a woman headache, ebe calm. Who could pay you are? And I appear about the semi for Massanede, a CNO. See, now, Rebecca said, we are adding now, nothing now. Oh, to appear for. Adding now, what Jira, on Red TV, Papa She, documents go on Red TV. The reason tell me yes, I didn't say. Now, so, let me be okay. Say, let me lumber, I want you. That's your point. The creature, the chiasem, and the year of name. Okay. Papa She, oh, you know America, I'm a credit. What's about awful America about Ghana? Or with the Porto bag? What's about Wale or Ghana? Oh, yeah, where they were Ghana. Okay. It's the only man who could have in the moon good you. But child support, and also. Okay. It's the ability of Papa She. So, whatever panel lumber, let's look at who bought some man. What could Jenny Yippon I'll go back with you. So for the from tuning in a boom. This is your mutem. Said I got my ear. It may be any he said. I didn't know who about woofing. They don't about also for years. Okay, I didn't know also know you America and no Papa should call Cretia. But me could never play about Ghana. Say, yeah, failure. Or the man you never Ghana say, Papa she menu. Okay, okay. Me, no. Hey, it may say, yeah, beaming me bra, me offer appear say, appear, Miss Row, what aroma, Miss Row, but being a couple of the way to know, what the tree, or 2 for feet, I go tree bay. Okosan airport, 2 for any walk more, and not be an Bena Quenya go 2 for Sao. Could you 1 or 2 for or call or just Africa, any cake. eti mesre no e wa apia so nya betre wo mami
okay
otu break wo ho
okay
but prophet uchi na ye kana sem no sister so obi akomo di na na e beka se bia papa no komo di nti no obepeska papa no odi ne ho wata bo chesa na bagana onye obi aka se bia baba ji wo ofri 1 cedi 2 cedi da bi asofo a aka se asofo a aka se omu jomu asana oba nya adwuma mu no uchi e number 1
okay
uyi 2 uchi wo mu
okay
uyi best 10 uchi wo mu
okay
because onye bega ye uchi na shese wo gana se na obi obi ye adwuma eti no oye nipa kuno manager anasa oye nipa kuno messenger eti ono obi eskawo ana do ko ye nya adwuma da bi uchi be pa no body ne ya body da cash a cash oda ka papa mu o se se ni ministry kama eti uchi prophet uchi ye besere se isebe be on ma o kan uchi e choka se bia papa no ofi nyame ba nyame dini na yakopo odini eduma pa ye ni grand match no na tough match tough match na asofo na obi ya gana fo nya pa bo se e wade mu apate na pate timi nya ne pay not timi jidin no anaso timi nya big market se tie biom keepers na mo da po no no ben de Benjamin Sari ena atisigi oja po mo a ne kra ne susum no efre bo eti bo be kono sum mo Benjamin Sari ja po mo a ne susum no epa mo bo eti hwani gan match no iga the boy first half no iga the boy 80% na Ghana wo 50%. But I say, boss say they call Benjamin Asare so. Madam say, o ko no ma the susum akofa po ni na bo e man so. How many times? How many balls e the ban so? Enye second half no.
Le ba e bia so timi chi no.
Second half no. Boss ba mi ni pe, ara se mi esa e na yehu. Ba ko e bo ba. E ni ba fun ansa Nigeria ni no. Obo Arsenal no.
Ah, top from the
Saka.
Okay.
A boy. Eti no usha. Goalkeeper wa gapo no no. Edim Benjamin no. Gogo. Osechi mi di Benjamin. Edim Benjamin no. Eye din a. Obi o wa kokudro. Be bi obi antimi ura no be ko aba.
Okay.
Eti Benjamin gapo mo a. Bo enko ne so te say atisigi. Yele ni Panama atisigi adapo mo na si e no way shot na bo ko ne so ba Benjamin ba no aye hye o mo no bo se ne ko ne so bo ye hu ne se o chi ya we have ko bo e fa ne sa ko ye wetu ho no mo eno pe eti eso hu se o mai no ebinumu ammo paye amma o mo a ebia ke no ikran be she Ghana.
Okay.
Because you get from first half, boy. Second half, a so. Born in your body now. But yes, you make sure say your midfielders, no, you use 3 midfielders. Open you see a raw. But we a raw player. No, also number 3 just no.
Okay.
No, number 3 just no. Or no, we have the type of football say, but Christian. A raw player. We have now. What done it now? I say Derek Boatin. Or skillful, okitabo no confidence. No, what that thing no, what done it no. What I say. I don't hear pate so a. Pate no ye pate di ma. Hurricane. E ti baby Hurricane obi a pate jani chen. It's that 2 minutes for this one. Omo mo ye adwuma ma pate. E do dey fast e ball na. Era number 2 number 3 no. Ade mo ye na me for say. Omo atra center line. No overlapping. Ko match na so chen omo. Eno mo so omo say match no. Say ya hyen granda. Say ya mo hyen. Sabe o bo no omo mo ni nyina e fa ye mo draw ne ko e baby. Point ni che.
Only for the Croatia Saturday prediction go over in fancy.
Prediction na obum say.
Odifo, ye
That's in your name, you are Chewana.
Yamia catch your farm.
Go home, the penny, Prophet Uchi.
Now, what can I say?
There be say, oh, no, now all your Bible, Emma Ghana Blaster.
Okay.
Name is a name of Ghana Blaster.
Okay.
Because Ghana Blaster, no, Omono, Press on Mokoin, and I need more.
Okay.
It's no, overhead this tournament winner. Ghana just in a share of beer or Ghana Hanomon. And I was a year president, you know. In the matter just now, Mamma is actually dead, and it's just say, Team now walk on, you need more.
Okay.
It's the prayer band out in the Bible poetry. Good Sana, one copy. Golden Star. Semenyo.
Oh,
I said, well, a minute only to say, Ghana, you Golden Star or no. Semenyo. But what if I think of Kuchi? It will be a boys no more coin in Ano. Say, Ghana may be able to get another opportunity. Actually, it may not mature say, boys no more coin and new prayers. But you may say nothing, and remember good luck. Some with me qualify, or with me come. Now, only in Ano will be asked in your market.
Na cap in the intimate you.
Missy, some coming in.
So, I'm going to be able to go to find out what coming.
There be some coming in, ma. Because
one of the
oh, say this year, wake up in the economy. Anyone want say Africa country, they will find out.
Okay.
Anyone want?
Okay. The crack.
But when we talk about it, Africa to go to find out.
Okay.
It's the American together for you. Say, let's know. Prophet Uchi is some of the kind. More fan no go see bone. Na commission no, ebi wo a pass the commission ba, obi fa chire ko huni pa no, eye ho ade. Obi so wa onko. It is okaso bi o ma ba ne chen a. Mo bi aka say bi a commission on share no, anye adwumenti na that bi. E mam ko no sa. Ya me hira o.
Amen.
No ka ho.
Amen.
O tu ko nem, o ma nyi che.
Amen. Ah, and the idea of what you training na AC with the Prophet 99 and na ADL komo. Ne waka bi muslim na no bi for my dear too. Let's say we have comment or comment section of all the social media handles no too much DH. Also subscribe, like, share, now also with your show. Background.